Show you 2016 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, electronic messaging assistance, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.